Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Samsung's Galaxy S24 FE. A fresh wave of leaks has surfaced, giving us an in-depth look at what this phone might bring to the table. From performance to design, let's break it all down and explore what makes this device stand out. So, stay tuned until the end for all the juicy details. First off, a big thanks to a recently leaked video that's been making rounds online. This isn't your usual grainy footage. Instead, it appears to be a professionally made promo, giving us a glimpse of the Galaxy S24 FE's key features. The video, just under 90 seconds, highlights everything from the display to the camera setup, giving us plenty to discuss. Starting with the screen, the Galaxy S24 FE is expected to pack a 6.7-inch FHD Plus display with a peak brightness of 1900 nits. That's incredibly bright, making it ideal for outdoor viewing, even in direct sunlight. If you love vibrant visuals and sharp clarity for gaming or streaming, this display is likely to impress. In terms of design, the S24 FE is built to look sleek yet durable. It features an aluminum frame and is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. And with an IP68 water and dust resistance rating, this device can handle accidental splashes and even minor drops without a hitch. What's under the hood? The Galaxy S24 FE is rumored to come with Samsung's Exynos 2400E chipset. Now, this has raised some eyebrows as the performance of Samsung's Exynos processors hasn't always been on par with Qualcomm's Snapdragon chips in recent years. Still, this processor should deliver solid performance for day-to-day tasks, but we'll have to wait for real-world tests to see how it stacks up against other flagship devices. Now, let's talk about one of the most important features, the camera. The S24 FE is rumored to sport a triple camera setup on the back. You're looking at a 50-megapixel wide-angle lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and 8-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. For selfie lovers, a 10-megapixel front camera should do the trick. This versatile camera setup is perfect for photography enthusiasts who want to capture everything from sweeping landscapes to detailed close-ups. While it doesn't seem like a massive upgrade from its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 FE should offer plenty of power in the camera department for most users. Samsung is stepping things up when it comes to battery life. The Galaxy S24 FE is expected to feature a 4700 mAh battery, which is a bump from the previous model's 4500 mAh. For those who like to stream video or play games for hours on end, this should provide a much-needed boost in longevity. However, while the battery capacity has been revealed, details on the charging speeds remain a mystery. We're hoping Samsung includes faster charging options, especially given the competitive landscape of today's smartphones. Samsung has always been known for offering a wide variety of colors in its FE series, and the Galaxy S24 FE is no different. Expect a range of vibrant hues including blue, graphite, gray, mint, and yellow. Whether you prefer a bold or more understated look, there's likely a color that matches your style. One thing to note is that the leaked promo didn't cover every aspect of the phone. We're still waiting to learn about its storage options, RAM configurations, and those all-important charging speeds. However, it's highly anticipated that Samsung will reveal all the details as we get closer to launch day. Speaking of which, the Galaxy S24 FE is rumored to be launched alongside the Galaxy Tab S10 lineup, potentially on September 26 in India. So mark your calendars if you're eager to get your hands on this device. Now for the price. Current rumors suggest that the Galaxy S24 FE will start at around $650 for the base model with 128 gigabytes of storage. If you're looking to upgrade to the 256 gigabytes model, it might cost you an extra $60. While this seems reasonable, keep in mind that these prices are inching closer to Samsung's standard Galaxy S24 models, which could lead to tough choices for buyers. So what do you think about the Galaxy S24 FE? With its impressive display, solid camera setup, and rumored affordable pricing, this phone is shaping up to be a solid contender. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.